iOS 18 introduces new ways to customize iPhone's home screen and lock screen. With iOS 18 ready to arrive, Apple's introducing new ways to customize the home screen and lock screen on the recently unveiled iPhone 16 series, as well as last year's iPhone 15 Pro models. The new operating system offers a suite of innovative features, including a new option to pause video recording on the iPhone, a camera control feature, and Apple Intelligence tools such as ChatGPT-powered Siri, image generation, and Apple Visual Intelligence. The initial release of iOS 18 will take place on September 16th, introducing a new approach to customize the iPhone's home screen, lock screen, and control center. Now users can arrange apps and widgets in any open space and even place them right above the dock. However, new visual effects such as dark or tinted themes allow users to customize app icons and widgets, giving it a unique look. It also allows enlarging icons for better visual impact and easier access. Additionally, the redesigned control center will offer quick access to frequently used controls such as home controls, media playbacks, and other connectivity options. Users can easily swipe between these groups and customize the layout to suit their preferences. Third-party app controls can also be added to the control center, providing more flexibility. Currently, Apple's also testing select Apple Intelligence features in the beta versions of iOS 18.1, iPadOS 18.1, and macOS 15.1.